What a bad month for Lerato Kganyago, all because of a man. A few days ago, Lerato's husband was implicated in the Madlanga Commission, where he was allegedly behind the alleged secret meetings and gatherings at the hotel that they share. Now, that is just one of the other allegations that were also made about Utami Dlala. Guys, you can go on my previous videos for full context. Now, let's talk about why Lerato turned her Instagram account to private. Hello, hi, welcome. I am Simiso Tashe, your chummy that is always ready to spill the tea. No fear of favor. So make sure that you like this video because I made it just for you. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any uploads, okay? Lerato was probably tired of being bullied, man. People came for her not in a nice way, and her womb was even implicated. I get that people of South Africa are angry right now. We are angry, guys, at the level of corruption and all these exposés in the Madlanga Commission. People were saying that why isn't Lerato Kganyago taken to the books? Guys, niqalile qala ngomfazi kaRamaphosa. Kuthe ningaqali niyobhulisha umfazi kaRamaphosa nehle nakwabafazi kwabanye abantu. Why Lerato? Why is it so easy to bully uLerato every single time? Hi mna guys, I'm starting to feel sorry for this woman because Lerato akahluphi mntu. These were some of the comments. This one is saying, but remove those BBLs as a Mali corruption. But guys, do you even realize that Lerato is an independent woman? What makes you think that her BBL was funded by her husband? She even said on some podcast, I think with DJ Fresh, I'm going to try and attach it here, that her husband doesn't give her allowance like her friends get allowance. That woman works for her money. I believe what she gets from her very generous husband is a bonus. Kandi guys,
I've never received allowance from my husband. And most of my friends get allowance. So is it because I don't ask for it? Or maybe he feels, oh, well, she doesn't need it.
Would you like it?
It would be nice, babe. No, he definitely won't. He doesn't work well under pressure. It's also me hanging on to my independence, you know. There's just something about being independent once again, Fresh. It would be a nice thing to do, but I don't need it at this particular moment.
Yo guys, you didn't go low on those comments. You went under the basement. This other comment says, this one broke my heart. Them babies lost, clearly saw a future. Skibekwa, I don't know, Skebekwa, Zisabekwa, I think in Xhosa, and said, Andizi. Okay, guys. Oh, this one hit Kwinimba Yam. Now, this person that wrote this didn't go to the basement, but they went straight to hell. How do you even say that? That is so awful. Do you know the pain? Yongakwazi ufumana abantwana ubafuna abantwana, the struggles, the trying, the losing babies. How do you say that? Ingenaphi. Social media is full of bullies, nasty people. Lerato has become an easy target here, and guys, it's not fair. Before she deactivated her account, she privatized her Instagram account because now you can't go in there. She left these statuses. You don't get to bully me and tell me how to react. I don't care about your job, your business, or children. Akiri, you don't care about mine. I got time today. Bigger person died a while ago. They've treated me as a low-hanging fruit for years and still have reason. Akiri tswenye motu, akikoloti motu, nobody. Lempile sikao saporai la mafelelo. Guys, I'm sorry, I don't know this language. Media and social media have truly taken a toll on me for years, and not a single apology has ever come my way for any accusation. At some point, I was hiding 2 children. I've ignored a lot, but my silence is often mistaken for foolishness, as if we're just the industry's doormats or a dumping ground whenever someone sees an opportunity. So please spare me the advice on how to fight back or suggestions to just ignore it. You can't possibly understand what we've gone through. Trust me, I will stand my ground and retaliate. Well, it looks like it's gloves off for Lerato, as it seems like she's going to fight back, and good for her, guys. You don't get to say nasty things and get away with it. Betuna must be responsible with the social media. Well, let's voice out our anger, but not this way, and direct it to the right people, please. Now, people are also calling Metro FM to get her off the radio, because there's no way Sol Penduka from Podcast and Chill can literally be taken off air like that, while all these scandals of Lerato are keeping her on air. That should also bring the station to disrepute. Yo, kunzima bafazi, I leyo andiyimeli phambili le. I would agree with that one, because there's so much happening around her, bad things, serious things, and it cannot be good for the station. So I'm looking to see how the station is going to respond to this one, being Metro FM. Sibazi kaloku abaya la management kokhiqa abantu bagcina babathandayo ndithi. Also, guys, mandinsikele advice before I go, and I hope you get it. If your friend buys a car, don't ask to take pictures with the car to post on your Instagram as yours. You ever? Because when the car is reported as stolen, the popo will come looking for you, okay? You get it? Anyway, that's it from my side. What do you guys think of this situation? Drop your comments, hit the like button, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye.